In this video, I'll show you how to wirelessly transfer photos and videos from your Samsung Galaxy S26 to your Windows PC. Now, first things first, you have to install the QuickShare application on your Windows PC. So open any browser on your Windows PC and go to this address or website, android.com/bettertogether/quickshare app. I'll put this link in the description. So all you have to do is in this website, scroll down and find this option, download QuickShare, select it, and then choose the location as to where you would like to save that application file. So I'll just select downloads and then tap on save, and that application file will be downloaded. Now give it a few seconds. Now once the download has been finished, you can simply click on here to open it, or you can simply go to the location whereby you saved that particular file. So open the file explorer and find the location that you saved that particular file. So here it is. So I'll double click it and then I'll set it up. So you have to set it up on your PC. So give it a few seconds for it to set up. Now, once it has been set up, you'll be prompted to sign in to the QuickShare. So all you have to do is click on sign in and sign in to the account that you have on your phone. You can simply use it on the same Windows PC. So you can click on sign in, and then from here you have to type in the email address and password that you'd like to use. So let me just do that. Now, once you sign into your account, you should see this prompt. All you have to do is click on sign in, and that you should see sign in successful. So you can minimize this window, and then you should get to this point whereby you have to set up QuickShare. So we can choose to rename what will be visible to others as. So by default, this is set to mischief.pc. So I can just leave that. And then you can simply scroll down. You can select sending and customize each and every thing that you'd like. So you can choose who you can share with. Be it your contacts, you can select contacts, and then you can choose everyone, contacts, your devices, or no one. So let me just select everyone for now, and then you can choose either to use everyone temporarily, or you can just keep this everyone mode on all the time. So I'll just select use everyone temporarily, and then you can go back, and then once you're done, simply click on done, and now you have successfully set up QuickShare on your device. Now at this point, on your Samsung Galaxy S26, find the file that you'd like to transfer to your PC. So for instance, I'll just open my gallery and find any file. So for instance, this file, all I have to do is tap on the share icon at the bottom. And then from here, you can simply select quick share. And then from here, it will scan for any available devices. Now for me, I can see my PC, which is this one, Mischief PC. All I have to do is tap on it, and then try to connect with my PC. Then give it a few seconds. And then from here, now you can see the image is being received from my Galaxy S26 to my Windows PC. So give it a few seconds for it to finalize the steps so that you can receive your image. Once you're done, you should see the image received, and you can click on open, and you can now see that particular image that you have just sent from my S26 to your Windows PC. So you can repeat the same for all the other files. So let's say, for instance, a video like this one. All I have to do, this is the video I want to send. All I have to do is tap on the share icon. And then from here, your PC can be discovered here, or if it's not discovered, tap on quick share and then select your PC and then allow it to connect. And then once it's connected, it will now try to transfer that particular file to your Windows PC. So depending on the size of the file, so as you can see, this file is around 666 MB. So depending on the file of the size, it will take much time for a bigger file. So once it has transferred, you can now access your video on the PC. So that's basically it on how to transfer files and videos wirelessly from your Samsung Galaxy S26 to your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.